Hey there, it's Beth from Rock Your Notebook, and I wanted to do an art journal flip through for you. This notebook is huge. It's pretty big, and it's 8 by 8, and it is one that I made myself. Um, I could not find what I wanted for the Wonderlust class. I wanted a good, heavy, thick paper in art journal form in 8 by 8 size. And I couldn't find what I wanted, so I went ahead and made my own. So this is my cover, and I just painted and added this chick from collage sheets that I have. And then this is one of the first lessons in Wonderlust, and I'm super proud of myself because I have been keeping up. Each week we get a new prompt, and some of them have definitely taken me out of my comfort zone, and some of them have made me realize, wow, I'm not that bad. So that was week one. And I also ended up doing this page, which is something that I would have never, ever, ever done before. And it happens to be one of my favorite pages. Again, collage elements. I have a pack of collage elements, and I will link them down below where I got them from. I absolutely love them. And then all of these markings were done with a Stabilo Woody in black, and then activated with some water, and then that matte medium, when I sealed everything, smeared it some more. And I love what happened here because it was totally unexpected, and I love it. This was another prompt, and I'm not crazy about how this page turned out, but I decided to just leave well enough alone. It is what it is. It was supposed to be like flowers and a garden and hope and all of that good stuff. And I'm not crazy about how it turned out, but that's okay. Then I'm embarrassed to show it, but I will. These were my very first faces ever. And if you've been following me on Instagram or you're in my Facebook group, you'll know that for the 100-day project, my goal is 100 faces. And I'm proud to say that I've been keeping up with that as well. So these were literally my very, very first faces ever. And they're supposed to be, wait for it, a self-portrait. Yeah, that definitely did not turn out the way I had hoped, but that's okay because it's literally the first time I have ever made a face and then painted that face with acrylic paint, and it is what it is. This one was my absolute favorite so far that I have done. It was done on paper bags with watercolor and salt. And I love the way this turned out. I even finally bought some sari ribbon. So I love the texture, and I have a little metal gold. It's a metal little happy thing here. I actually have crystals on this page. Like, it's just, yeah, I will probably try and duplicate this page with maybe different colors, maybe a different flower. I don't know, but I will definitely do this again. I love how it turned out. Then this one is okay. I wish I had printed out my element in black and white as opposed to this yellow. I really do think that would have made it better. And I left a lot of white space, which for me is very, very hard to do. But I did it. And then this one was actually the first prompt for February. And it was all about collaging. And I have never actually collaged with no paint. And I loved it. I love what I did here. Even these pieces are actually fabric that I have painted on. This is tissue paper that I used a stencil and some archival ink. This is actually one of my heart stickers that I have in my shop. I have washi tape on here. I have old book paper. A collage, and I love it. And it's amazing. So that is my art journal flip through. I have lots and lots of, I cannot believe I'm actually almost done with this entire signature. And then I have lots of signatures left. This is actually made from the watercolor paper that I sell in the shop as the watercolor notebook. And I would be happy to make this size, which is 8x8 notebook for anybody that wanted one. You can just send me a message via my shop and we can work it out because I do custom sizes. Alrighty, that's it for me. Thank you so much. Bye.